What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see the thumbnail. Y'all see the title. Yes, indeed, man. I told y'all. Y'all see old Emma up there. But by now, y'all should have been seeing my wife video. But, yeah, she finna get a remix. She finna get a remix, man. BCG Hangout crew already knew, man. I had bought all this stuff probably like three, 4 weeks ago, honestly. But it's time to get on the way, man. It's time to get on the way. So I'm finna show y'all the parts and stuff. And then we're gonna talk about the plan for the car. And I gotta show y'all some more stuff that came in, man. Cause boy, when I say I got some good supporters, y'all some good supporters, man. I gotta show y'all some stuff, man. That's all it is. I gotta show y'all some stuff. But we got some move about to get made on Emma, man. The car actually leaving today. He's leaving today. And I'm finna holler at y'all about all this. So I'm gonna show y'all the part first and then check back in. All right, y'all checking in. So I told y'all, had a surprise. Here it is. Look at all this, man. We done had this stuff about 3 weeks. But by now, y'all should have seen my wife vlog, man. Go check it out on her channel, cause she pulled everything out. And hey, man, just go take her video out, all I can say. But yeah, man, we done made some moves, man. All this stuff for wifey car. Y'all seen the title, man. I tell you, I got a surprise. This is it. So she finna get that remake, man. Literally, we got everything she need, man. We just up and I had told her, I was like, man, we finna remake Emma. We went to Summit, got everything needed, and now, hey, she finna get that work. She already got a converter, fresh transmission. Man, I'm telling you, man, we've been sneaking, making some moves. So all this for wifey car, new carburetor, new intake. She got fresh aluminum roller rocker, head gasket, intake gasket, time retain gasket. She got all this stuff. Fresh camshaft. Y'all see that box? Ooh. Cam and lifters, new valve covers, aluminum heads. Man, intake. That's why I kept it, man. I kept the intake, man. So I done put together one of my top end combo for her car, and why there? She gonna be straight, man. We're gonna get her in the 300 plus horsepower range at 350 cubic inches standard. We'll get in a little tip tour in the 300 horsepower range, man. Then after we get this done, she get to driving around with her one tie 5. We'll get her rear end done and stuff, but I want to show y'all the part. This is the surprise, man. This is it. This is the surprise, boy. Look at it. Ain't them things so pretty. Y'all gotta go check her vlog, man. She took them heads out, man. Them heads are beautiful. The valve cover's fire too. So she took everything out, man. Then she was cleaning the intake up and all that. Y'all go check the vlog out. Days with Kendra. That's her vlog channel. Cause I know I got new people. Some people be like, what's your wife vlog channel? It's Days with Kendra, man. So yes, indeed. Y'all see, hey, everything in the fleet about to have some pressure now. Everything in the fleet, man. Wifey car with the oddball out. Which she got a good running engine. It's a crate engine. Hell, the engine don't even have 3,000 miles on it. In fact, their engine in her car does not have 3,000 miles on it yet. So it's fresh. She gonna have a brand new engine. But yeah, then everything in the fleet gonna be hitting and rocking. Hey, y'all know I wasn't finna leave my wife out. She finna have her little thump too, man. I ain't finna leave wife out. She finna have her little thump. But y'all gonna love what finna happen with Emma before this year is out too. Like, it's in the works right now. So yeah, man. Y'all just stay tuned. I got more to come. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, checking in. So y'all saw the part that I got for wifey, man. We got them put up over there in the corner now. Like I said, we got some big things planned for Emma, man. And if if y'all saw her video, man, you know she took everything out the box, part by part, like I said, and so y'all can see them. Man, I told you we gotta do a remix, man. We can't let Emma stay slow the whole time, man. So I had went and bought everything at the same time, put my son in the cart together, went in there and got it, so we can go ahead and get it on the way and get it done. She got a transmission already ready, converter, everything, man. So that car about to be ready to go, and my fam Rick is going over there to Rick's house today. So Rick gonna be doing it. My fam Slick Rick, aka Don't Panic. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button on his YouTube channel, man. It's Don't Panic. Or type in Don't Panic Monte Carlo. It'll pop up, click on one of the videos, then subscribe. But that's where the car going, man. He about to do it. About to do a remix. I know y'all were asking. Yes, pulling the whole engine out. I told y'all I can't stand it, man. Every time I pop that hood, it don't kill me, man. Y'all see, go back and look. If you wasn't around the channel around that time, go back and look, man. When I was like 30 days to V8. That was the series, 30 days to V8. Cause y'all know Wifey's car had a V6 in it. It was all original. It had a V6 in it. Then the V6 started tapping. So I was like, well, we gotta pull it. We're gonna keep it in there. But then I was like, well, I gotta pull it. Which I was gonna do anyway. Well, we was back and forth. But I was like, man, we're gonna pull it anyway. Which is why I bought the AutoZone crate engine. And y'all know that was in Big Meats. Cause I didn't want to see Big Meats just still sitting around. And I knew my final plan for Meats is gonna take a lot of money, which it has taken a lot of money. That's why I'm telling y'all I'm saving it for last. But we took the AutoZone crate engine out of Meats, and it was for Wifey's car, really. Like I said, I just drove it around, broke it in and all of that. And that engine, like I said, that engine don't even have 5,000 miles on it, man. It really don't. The engine in Wifey's car does not have 5,000 miles on it. It's like a brand new engine. So the engine gonna get pulled. My fam Rick gonna completely restore it under the hood, man. We're gonna get it right again. He gonna completely restore under the hood, man. All the AC wiring and stuff gonna get completely corrected and ran and routed like it's supposed to. It's just gonna get cleaned up completely on the hood. So then, man, when that car come back, she gonna be faster. It's definitely gonna be talking. I'm telling you, it's gonna be talking, man. Cause y'all seen I got a new camshaft, new cam and lifters. I got some aluminum heads. She got the intake that came off of Dolo, the budget engine. That's why I kept it, man. I said I know I'm using it for some, so we gonna use that intake cause y'all know it like brand new. I got her a brand new carburetor. What else? Man, she got new aluminum roller rockers, new valve covers. I'm getting her a new air cleaner assembly. I'm gonna get a K&N air cleaner assembly for, like R&B got. Man, she just getting the whole remix, man. The top end with a power made. It's still gonna be standard 350. I'm gonna run probably a thinner profile head gasket to raise the compression up just another point. And she gonna be, well, I already got head gasket, but basically that's what I'm saying. I got head gasket, intake gasket, man. We got everything. We got everything needed to put her car together. Everything. So all I gotta do is get I'm gonna get some break-in oil with the zinc in and stuff. I'm gonna order that from Summit when time get close. And we're gonna break it in. Cause she is still hydraulic flat tap it. But the duration and the profile and stuff, man, it gonna be good for her low to mid range power. Cause you know she ain't gonna be turning the car like that. And then after she get the feel up, we're gonna put a rear end in the car. We'll get a rear end done. With what she wanna do, we're gonna put a 323 gear in it still, or what she wanna do. So y'all know Emma about to get that remix, man. The car gonna get gone today. I'm dropping off at Rick's house, and we're finna get that on the way. So we got that, and then look, when I say, man, I got some good subscribers, man, and I got to shout out my boy James, man, Peanuts Automotive. Y'all go subscribe to him, man. I'm gonna tell y'all, I want to keep it surprised, but I ain't told him. Man, me and Wifey is gonna we going up there one day, man. I'm talking about before the year out. My plan is to get up there to him, collab with him, man. We're gonna shoot some video stuff. Cause when I say he just a good dude, he's a great dude, man. He got a great family. The content is wholesome and stuff. That's what I like, man. It's him and his son. him and his son getting it done, man. Fooling the RC cars with the Grand Nationals and turbo Buicks and stuff, man. His wife be with it, family oriented like this. And then I mean, me and James first time meeting, he came all the way down to Georgia because I had a dinner meeting for people trying to go forward in social media at Longhorn, man. And then he came all the way from Virginia to attend that and stuff. That was our first time meeting. And, you know, I done gave him a lot of advice and stuff and all that, man. But he sent me and Wifey a shirt, man, and it's a nice shirt too. This is YouTube stuff right there. Let's make sure we see if it focus. And it's a nice shirt, man. So that's the Peanuts Automotive, man. So I appreciate this. And then he sent this, man. I was so shocked. I was like, cause I seen the box, like, I wonder why he sent a box. And man, when I say y'all, I said I wish I could have caught my reaction on camera, cause I've been looking for one of these. Just a small one, man. I've been looking for a die-cast Grand National, man. Cause y'all know this is my dream car, this is my favorite car. And I said, man, what? That's all I kept saying, man. I was in the, it was late one night, man. So, you know, me and wife went thing recording, and I was like, man, I was looking for the shirts. Then what a surprise was, cause he had told me he gonna send me the shirts. I said, cool, he got my size. And I was like, yeah, I like that, I appreciate that. Cause he always just doing stuff, man. And then he sent this, and I was like, man, this, y'all got to subscribe, man. He really do got some good content, man. And that's what we need to see on YouTube. Like, everybody want to see drama. Like it's some people, they literally click on my video and they only comment if I put a title and they think something bad gonna happen. They think I don't notice it. And that's why I get on them, y'all. Like, if I put that something broke down or I see my hood, they click and then they got something to say. But when everything going smooth, they won't say nothing, man. Them people like that, they need to stay off the damn internet, man. That's just how I feel. Just like that, they need to stay off the damn internet, cause they just negative, you know. And then you got people like James, and you got people like me that do good, wholesome content. By wholesome, I mean you can sit down and look at it with your whole family. Now, if I'm finna turn up, I let you know at the beginning of the video, cause I'm like, hey, take kids out the room. We finna talk some real stuff. But y'all know I don't do that much. I just do that if I'm finna run some game and stuff. But man, wholesome content. The internet want to see fights. They want to see killings or drama or robberies or people getting hurt or people fussing. That's what people want to see. They want to see you tear your stuff up in the car world, like you wreck, your wheel pop off, or your engine blow up. Why y'all think them videos always get so many views? People love destruction, man. The average human being walking around just on some BS. I hate to say it like that. The average human walking around on BS. They love destruction. But wholesome content. That's why I put that reel up with me and Wifey on the other day. Cause I'm like, hey, I'm gonna be different. My bad, y'all. Camera head got cut off. But what I was saying is that, like, basically people love negative, man. They love negative stuff on the internet, man. People want to see people fighting, shooting, killing, robbing. People cussing and fussing and arguing, all that drama. People love that, man. People love it. So that's why, like I was saying, I put that's why I was saying I put that reel up with me and Wifey, cause I'm like, man, I'm pushing positivity. Cause the light gonna always outshine the darkness. I'm telling you. If it's dark in the corner and you put that flashlight in the corner, man, that light gonna shine. It gonna light up that corner. And I'm that flashlight. That's what I'm saying. I'm that flashlight. So you got people like Peanuts Automotive, and you got me, like I said, Cuzzo stuff. People that do wholesome content grow slow. Don't get me wrong. I've been doing it for years now. I can see. I done tested anything you can test. That's how I can control my traffic on all of my platforms. I know what to do. But I done seen how you put this up and it's one thing, and you put this up, it's another thing. Cause people love BS. Like I said, the average human being walking around on BS. The average person walking around on BS, man. They don't like positivity. So, but anyway, hey, I got to shout out my fam, All Scene Extreme. Y'all know All Scene, man. Y'all seen her on the channel multiple times or whatever. She just recently tried to lift the BCG Pro Mod too. But she got her own fitness band line, cause y'all know, most of y'all should know. If y'all on my Facebook, y'all know I'm into that fitness game too. Me and wifey, cause I weight train every day. I weight train every week. I mean, every week, man. Been doing it for 3-4 years. So y'all know, like I said, I'm on a cut right now. So I'm just shaving down from the size that I put on. So I was bulking up. So I'm shaving down right now from that size or whatever. I seen the comment, man. A guy on here talking about some what he said. I won't last 30 days or something. I guess he didn't know. Man, I've been working out. I was like, buddy, you late. Man, I'm 30 pounds. I'm 30 pounds down and I done went down 30 pounds in 36 days. 38 days. I already went down 30 pounds. I really know this stuff. I do this stuff too. I just don't talk about it. I know fitness and health and wellness and diet and nutrition, micro and macronutrients, like nitrogen supplements, all that stuff. I know all that stuff, man. I just look this way, but I know some stuff. But like I said, I'm 30 pounds down already in 38 days, man. So you just got to know what to do. But anyway, and y'all probably wonder like, hey man, know so many people in it, cause I'm in that 50 game too, man. Weightlifting and all that. But just like wife. But this her fitness bands. And man, they, like I said, they got the nice embroidery and stuff. These some nice band, man. So, you know, oh yeah, they nice too. So you know, we definitely be putting these to work. I want to shout her out. Y'all make sure y'all go follow her. A lot of y'all follow her already, man. I appreciate that. On her social media, All Seen Extreme. All Seen Extreme, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow her. I want to thank her for the fitness band. Me and wife will definitely be using these. Then she sent one for Shell too. So I really appreciate that, man. She sent one for Shell, cause y'all know Shell. When we be working out, Shell will come out here too. If you don't, excuse me, y'all. But if you on my, see, we already had been using one. But if you on my Facebook, you'll know that. And like I said, for everybody that ain't on Facebook, man, y'all got to go follow my J Malcolm 2004 Rides Facebook. Man, we just crossed over 10K over there. Shout out to everybody that follow over there too, cause y'all know I be posting different stuff over there, man. Like you talking about some burnout, like over there on Facebook, man. Hey, you got to see, boy. Hey, I turned Dolo loose. I turned Dolo loose the other day, man. I'm talking about turning loose 100 foot plus marks on them 26 to let it eat, man. So we got a lot. We got a lot planned, man. Like I said, James, this right here just got me, boy. I said I ain't even gonna open this. I ain't opening this, man. It's staying in the box right here, boy. So I had been looking for a diecast Grand National, man. That man made my day with that. We got the parts for wifey car. Wifey car leaving today. And then I got the radiator, new radiator right here sitting ready to go in Dolo. I want to do that today. I need to pop it in just to swap. Then put new brackets on it. That's it. The bigger radiator. And I think that's it, man. They're going to about wrap this one up, y'all. So we go ahead and pick y'all up. Pick y'all up, man. They're going to about wrap this one up. Cause like I said, man, we got some moves being made. We finna be ready to roll. And that's gonna wrap it up. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.